Hi! Welcome to the Tomato Thing with Casey Cruz, where I recycle stuff and give them second chances. For this project, I'm going to make cable holder. You know, sometimes at home, cables are everywhere, like this, and they tangle up with another cable, and then when you're looking for stuff and you're pulling it, they're tangled with another one, and it's very annoying. So, I'm the type of person who wants to make everything organized. So one day, while I was preparing my breakfast, I'm pouring the milk in the cereal bowl, and then the milk bottle is empty. And I said, this bottle has potential. And I decided to make a cable holder out of this bottle. Let's get started. For this project, you will need an empty milk bottle, plastic, a scissor, an ultra fine Sharpie permanent marker, pencil, puncher, cardboard paper, and ruler. So first thing is we need to make the template of the holder. I'm going to teach you how to make the template of the holder. First, you will have your cardboard paper and you'll measure it into 12 centimeter. So from 0 to 12. This will be the measurement of how long the holder will be. Next is from there you make a line and then you will have like a long letter T. Then you make a curve here and on the other side. Then from the bottom you will make a 1.5 centimeter line like this. Then after that, from this to this, you will make a straight line. Draw a straight line. And the same thing with the other one. And make a curved line. Next, we will cut the template that we made. Now we will cut this milk bottle using cutter. So we will just only use it to make a hole like this. And you can use your scissors. It doesn't matter if it's straight or not because we just need to get this part. Okay, so you do the same thing with the bottom part. Then we cut this so we can have a flat plastic like this. Once you cut, make sure your milk bottle is clean. Wipe it out with the wipes or tissue and curve it on the other side so it will be flat. Then we'll use the template that we made and we will trace it using the Sharpie permanent marker. Then we start cutting. So once you have the template cut in the plastic, you will make a hole in this part using the puncher. Make sure it's in the middle. So there you go. And then we're going to make a we'll cut a straight line from here going that way using the tip of the scissor only, just a little bit. And you're done. Just need to put this around and wrap it around the cable cord and pull it. You go. So now we will use the cable holder that we just made. You wrap the cord around your hands like this, and then hold it. Get your cable holder, wrap it around, put this in the hole and pull it, and there you go. Yay! You can make as many cord holder as you want, just like this. Just use the template that you made. If I can do it, you can do it too. Let me know down the comment if you do and try it at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye! See you next week!